Welcome to this tutorial on creating and administrating a group. The colors and pictures on your pages may be different to those in this movie, however the functions are identical. To start, in the Community menu click on Groups and select All. This will show the groups list. If you haven't created any, it will be empty. To create a group, use the Create button located in the top right corner of the Groups toolbar. It's available on most group pages. Click on it. This opens the Create New Groups form. There is pop-up help as you mouse over the label of any box. You must give your group a name, make it a meaningful one. This text box is a WYSIWYG editor, similar to the word processor on your computer. Here you can describe your group and its objectives. Use a description that will encourage members to contribute what the group is designed for. The buttons above it are for formatting your text. You can experiment with them to get the best effect. This switch turns off the WYSIWYG editor. Only use this if you understand HTML text formatting. In the drop-down menu, choose the category for your group. These are preset on your site, and are only used to help find a specific group. Click here if you want to make your group private. These options relate to restrictions on photos, videos, events, discussions and announcements. Click the appropriate checkbox to allow group members to load photos or videos, and you can restrict the quantity. Similarly, set the parameters related to events, discussions and announcements. File sharing means that members will be allowed to upload certain file types. Leave these unchecked, unless you specifically require it. If you are not sure, leave the default settings. The notification settings, when checked, mean that a notification will be automatically sent when the corresponding action occurs. Some of the above items are marked with an asterisk and must be completed. When finished, click here to create your group. You will automatically be created as the group's administrator, and you can return to alter the settings at any time. Click on the group from the list of groups to open it. The badge shown on the avatar means that you are the administrator of the group. This is the avatar box, and you should give your group an image by adding an avatar. This button appears when you mouse over the avatar box. Click on Change Avatar, and this tool will open. Click on this Browse button, and the file manager on your computer will open. Select the image you want. Let's try this car. The system highlights the image and adds it to the file name box to confirm your selection. If these are correct, click Open. The image file is uploaded and shows in the Change Avatar box. Follow the instructions to adjust the image, and click Save. Now, your group avatar is in place. The creator is automatically administrator of a group. Administrators have additional features on the Groups page. When creating the group, if you set the appropriate options, group administrators can create events, photo albums, and video albums for their group. See the appropriate tutorials for additional help on these features. Apart from messages, you can post photos, videos, and create events from the share box. Experiment with all of these to make your group informative, interesting and relevant. This is the home page of another group, called Security Update. You'll note that the group was created without any of the optional features set, like photos or events, and they do not show. It already has several members, which is why we are using it as an example. Click here to open the member list. Here is the list of members, and As the group administrator, you have a number of additional capabilities. For example, add additional administrators for the group, or demote an administrator back to a user, or to ban a member. You might do this to stop a troublesome person posting discussions or messages in the group. More likely, you'd remove such a person from the group membership, and you can do that here. From this list, you can click on a member's name or avatar to go to their details page. You can click on the send message link to send that member a message, which will be sent to their private messages inbox. If your group is private, you will also find a button like this for an applicant member. It will enable you to approve them. Finally, we'll return to our new Lift Club group, and assume you set it as private. As this group's administrator, you, and any other of its administrators, may see this notification on the group page. If you click here, you'll go to the members list, which will contain the applicant member request, and the activate button that we saw earlier. On any community page, the notification icons are shown, together with how many notifications are waiting. If you click on the icon, a window will pop up showing the notifications. You will see the same membership request for the private group, which can be approved or rejected here by clicking the appropriate option. Remember to watch the companion tutorials on photos and videos, as well as the one on creating events, which is accessed from its own menu button. Thank you.